2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Sitting, Waiting, Wishing by Jack Johnson. Okay, we do have some bar chords, so this is not for beginners. But the song is pretty easy, really. Okay, so the song is in A minor. First finger, second finger, third finger. And then G major. Let's play it like this for now. G major bar chord. G major, and then we want to make that a G7, so we want to lift up the pinky. And then F major, and then we want to make that F7, lift up the pinky, to C major, first, second, third, and then we want to make that a C7, so I add the pinky on 3rd fret G. Okay, so here's the switching. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G7, F, F7, C, C7, A minor, G, G7, F7. Okay, and then the chorus is starts on E7, first finger, second finger. A minor, E7, A minor, back to verse. The strumming is dum bum, da da dum dum, down down, down up down down. And if you can get a smack in between there, that would be good. That's what he's doing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, G7, G, G7, C. Play more open. Before the last chorus, and that's C, E7, F, G, C, E7, F, G. Last chorus. There it is. Jack Johnson. Fabulous song. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy.